Dear audience of Atavatan TV channel, good evening. I'm Drdowranorazgylyjow and welcome to our Turkmenistan weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. Agreement reached on transporting Turkmen natural gas to Turkey via Iran. The national leader of the Turkmen people and chairman of the People's Council of Turkmenistan, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, held a telephone conversation with the President of the Islamic Republic of Iran, Masoud Pezeshkian. During the discussion, both leaders exchanged views on key bilateral cooperation issues. The national leader announced that Turkmenistan has reached an agreement with Turkey's BOTAŞ company to transport Turkmen natural gas to Turkey via Iran using the swap method. In addition, the national leader proposed the construction of the Meri Mashhad power transmission line, extending from the Meri state power plant to the Iranian border, to enhance collaboration in the electricity sector. Negotiations with the Iranian side have already taken place, resulting in the signing of a relevant legal document. The project is expected to be implemented by Iranian companies. Furthermore, transport cooperation remains a strategic priority, given the geographical advantage of both nations in linking Asia to Europe and the Caspian Sea to the Persian Gulf. In this regard, the importance of constructing a new highway from the Iranian border to the city of Gumdag in Turkmenistan was underscored, with a relevant agreement signed designating an Iranian company as the contractor. Turkmen leader invites Iranian president to International Leaders Forum. The national leader of the Turkmen people and chairman of the People's Council of Turkmenistan, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, held a telephone conversation with the President of the Islamic Republic of Iran, Masoud Pezeshkian. During the discussion, the Turkmen leader extended his congratulations to President Pezeshkian on Iran's National Day, the Revolution Day, on behalf of the President of Turkmenistan himself and the Turkmen people. Highlighting the significance of 2025 for Turkmenistan, Berdimuhamedov noted that the UN General Assembly, at Turkmenistan's initiative, had declared 2025 as the International Year of Peace and Trust. One of the key events of the year will be the International Peace and Trust Forum in Ashgabat on December 12th, coinciding with the 30th anniversary of Turkmenistan's permanent neutrality. In this regard, the national leader invited President Pezeshkian to participate in the forum and related celebrations, emphasizing that his presence would greatly contribute to the success of the event. He also mentioned that an official invitation letter would be sent in the near future. Bahar Seyidova, appointed as Deputy Prime Minister overseeing culture. President of Turkmenistan Serdar Berdimuhamedov chaired an expanded meeting of the Cabinet of Ministers, during which several appointments and dismissals of government officials were reviewed. According to the Vatan news program, the President relieved Deputy Prime Minister Mahricemal Mamedova from her position. Subsequently, Bahar Seyidova, who previously served as the chairperson of the Parliamentary Committee on Science, Education, Culture and Youth Policy, was appointed as the new Deputy Prime Minister responsible for overseeing cultural affairs. Turkmenistan produced over 77 billion cubic meters of natural gas in 2024. President of Turkmenistan Serdar Berdimuhamedov chaired an expanded Cabinet of Ministers meeting to review the country's 2024 economic performance, where Chairman of the State Committee on Statistics, Aman Muhamedov, presented a report on the implementation of economic plans by ministries and sectoral agencies, and the President noted that the total value of exported domestic products exceeded $12 billion. The report highlighted that Turkmenistan ensured stable growth in the industrial sector. In 2024, the country produced 77.623 billion cubic meters of natural gas and extracted 8.279 million tons of crude oil. Compared to 2023, the production of petroleum bitumen increased by 10.2%, gasoline by 4.8%, fuel oil by 8.2%, diesel fuel by 0.6%, and cement by 3.5%, demonstrating positive trends in key industrial sectors. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.